What's up? It's your girl Emo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am really channeling the inner emo boy circa 2006, huh? I blow dried my hair this way just to make it easier for when I start the dyeing. Today I'm going to be using all XMondo products. I'm going for a very summer, bright, fun vibe right now. So the shades I'll be using are turquoise, super pink, probably just a little bit of the super orange. Not a whole lot, just because orange isn't really my favorite, but it is very summer. So I'll probably put in just a few pops of the orange. Also super purple, which, full disclosure as always, I do have it as a 20% mixture of Good Dye Young Purple People Eater in there, so it's not 100% super purple in here, but it is 80%, so still using it. Also, to stick with the bright summer color theme, lime green, which is even less of the actual XMondo formula. It is a fourth of the XMondo lime green, a fourth Good Dye Young Cowabunga, a fourth Manic Panic Electric Lizard, and a fourth Eero neon green. So this is kind of a little concoction, but it's going to be like a lime green. I will show you them all swatched, and I don't really have like a plan for placement. I'm just going to be putting them wherever, and however it comes out is how it comes out. So let me swatch them and then I will get to dyeing. Here they are all swatched, and I'm really happy with this lineup. No, we're not going to do yellow because screw yellow. I do have my wiping towel so that's how I'm going to help keep the colors off of each other as I'm doing it. I am just going to probably just lay them on top of each other once I have them nice and saturated, because once you got the color on there, you don't have to worry like too much. So I'm not going to probably be using foils or anything to separate them, but yeah. I will be wiping my hands off before switching each color. Time to get my gloves on and time to get started. Okay, I've got it all on. That was a little hard. It's been a while since I did so many multiple colors all around, but I think I did okay. We will find out here in just a little bit when I rinse it out in cold water to help the colors from bleeding on each other, and I will show you the results. Alright, here's the results, and what do we think? I love it. I've definitely got the bleach bug. Like, obviously it's a lot of roots showing. That's not the worst thing ever, but it is kind of starting to get on my nerves. And I'm trying really hard not to bleach it because I've come this far, right? Let me show you the back. Okay, I think I'm gonna style it real quick and be right back. I love it even more. This is sick. I really knocked it out of the park this time. Not to toot my own horn or anything. Toot toot! But yeah, no, I really love how this came out. If I could change one thing, I wish the green were a little bit brighter. I feel like it's a little bit, I don't know, a little bit dull compared to the other colors. That's alright. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.